Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
This is a video on an example of a channel trade. A couple of things. LAC, it is one of our swing trades. We're in it around 20, no, we're in it at around 17, I think it is. Let me just quickly look. Yeah, 17 and a quarter. And so this is a channel trade for sure. And this is how we're staying in this as a swing trade. Popped 1, 2, this is wave 3. I mean, this could trade up to the top of the channel up in here. But what is more, or not more important, but what I wanted to show now today is how a channel trade works for just a day trade. This is the kind of pattern where this is an institutions need to own this stock, and they just, every time it gets down to this 15 period moving average, they just buy it, or this trend line, they just keep buying. So it has tons of support to it. But this is how we make the big money in a trade. Here, if you had it entered on this pullback, or maybe the first pullback entry up here around 34.65, this is up, it was up $3 on the day. And it's a low risk, low stress kind of trade, relative. I mean, there's always risk, but it's lower risk. It just gets into this channel. Now, when you first had the channel, it would have looked like this, and it came down. It held the support, and started to go. So you just need to fan out the channel. And every time it comes down to the channel line, it does get through it a bit, but so you just keep fanning it out here, and then now it is a very solid channel line. Now we can see that it's breaking down here. We'd want to stop this. If you were in this trade, you'd want to stop this under this probably 37 level now, because it is coming out of the channel. This could be support for it here, right around 37, which is the 34 period moving average, or even here at 36.85, and it has big support here at 36.70. But to stay in this trade, there's no reason to panic and get out of it. You can just stay in it and let it run. It does take some nerve, there's no doubt, because especially if you've read a number of last trades, you're just happy to see a little green and you sell the stock. But you have to get over that fear and just trade with conviction. And when you see a trade like this, just stay in it and let it run as long as you can. And then, look for support levels, 37, it breaks below that. And then 36.85, you need to be out of this trade on a day trade basis. But, the perfect channel trade. This is how we make the big money here at Turbo Trading, is we get into these channels and we stay in and we let them run.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.